Now, how do you put words on your YouTube video on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So you can obviously capture your video and have it ready, but to add the words, right, like to put it into your videos, well, you need to use a video editor. So I recommend people to use the CapCut video editor where you have some nice features built in. So when you import your clips into the timeline, you can tap on the other options which do appear when you have the clip selected and you can customize it or whatever. But in order to add or put in the words, don't have the clip selected, right? Because like different options appear based on whether you have the clip selected or not. So don't have it selected. And at the bottom, we have the captions button. So this lets you generate captions, which are like the subtitles or the words about the things that you say, right? Like if that makes sense. So you can generate it from the video file, or you can also add a voiceover to the project and generate it from there. You can select the language, so it just has, the iPad has an easier time creating those, and also choose a different style. So when you do this, you tap on a generate and your iPad will just display the subtitles or every single thing which is said in the video. It will also be shown as a text there as well, which is better for, it's easier to watch when you have it. So it's generally a good idea to do this. So yeah, that's how you can do this. Obviously, there are other apps and other software which can get the job done, but I usually recommend CapCut because it's so easy and a lot of people use it. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.